It's KJH Family and Fun.
Hi, it's me KJH the filmmaker slash artist and welcome to KJH Family and Fun. Today on KJH Family and Fun, we are going to bake a cake for Easter. About this cake, my mom brought me this from the store she bought it from and gave it to me. This is a cake pan that shows an Easter bunny. So what I'm going to do is bake it for an Easter dessert. And for Easter, I was about to celebrate it with a resurrection scene. But I was about to paint a picture of it the way I've created the manger scene. I've already had the resurrection scene, but it was made through dry media source. But I was about to make a mixed media version of that. But I was still too busy making a cupcake sign for art. Maybe next year, I'll create the mixed media version of the resurrection scene for Easter. And then I'll create the resurrection cake for Easter next year just to show what Easter is really about so that I won't forget. So anyhow, let's bake a cake today. had my fun baking a cake, and it went okay. When I was decorating the cake, I covered it up with icing, and then I added chocolate chips on ears, eyes, nose, smiles, and teeth. Then I carved the whiskers with a butter knife. I took a picture, and sent it to my family. When my family looked at it, my eldest sister pointed out that the bunny cake looked like the bunny rabbit of her worst nightmare. This makes me laugh, and I begin to imagine it as if it was a new antagonist for the Five Nights at Freddy's game, since I have made a fake trailer for this video game, and also a fake vacation trip, and also including the April Fool's Day one for this year, since I couldn't even get Five Nights at Freddy's out of my head. Then I joked around with my family, and texted in Here Comes Nightmare Cottontail, and stuff, which would have been a horror film altogether. I did have dinner, and for dinner we had salad, mac and cheese, fish, and some Texas toast. Then after dinner, we had our dessert, which was the Easter bunny cake I made, and when I tried it, it tasted good. So anyhow, happy Easter everybody. I guess that's all I have to say in order to explain. For more information, you can go to my website at www.KJH Art.Studios.com, and you can go to videos and see the trailer version. To see the full version of the videos, you can go to the pink subscribe button on the top right, and you would pay for the $10 per month subscription. If you can't seem to afford this long-term subscription, the website has 2 short-term subscriptions that seem like a rental deal. To get there, you can go to the blue word that says subscriptions, and you will get there to pick which subscription you want, whether the 50 cents for 2 days or the $3.50 for 7 days. That's up to you for the choices you make if you want to watch the full version as well as the trailer version. If you can't afford any of these things, you can subscribe to this channel including my other 2 channels for free, and you can also try out the playlist for KJH Family and Fun for free too. So make sure you give this video a like if you like it, and give the artist and filmmaker a high five. So thanks for watching.